Mark from American Wholesale Furniture, and today we're going to show you how to assemble a common dinette chair. First, we opened the package and laid everything out, including the hardware. First thing you want to do is grab the seat section and set it on the chair back. Then grab your bolts for the back of the seat and install them. Install everything just finger tight. Go ahead and grab your front legs and bolt those on. Again, just finger tight. And go ahead and grab your stretchers for your legs. Each one says right and left. Then insert the Phillips screws. And again, just finger tight. Once you've got that step done, go ahead and set it on the floor, hopefully a level floor. Go ahead and sit on it so it will level itself down. Then set it on a level bench or such and finish tightening up the bolts and screws. Now, if you ever, I'm not sure where it goes, get it to a customer's home and it's unlevel in the spot where they're going to have it in their kitchen, dining room, whatever. See, they may have linoleum, ceramic tile, hardwood floors, carpeting, and it's unlevel in the spot they have. What you want to do is loosen all your bolts and screws again, where the chair is going to sit in it, and then retighten everything, and it will be level in the spot they're going to use it.